Okay, in this lecture we're going to learn how to change the colors of this theme. Right now we have this color of blue, this color of red, which is a pale red, and this white and this gray outlines. Okay, so we're going to learn how to change this quickly. Go to Xcode, and within the groups and files panel, I want you to drill down and you find the words folder. If you open that words folder, you will find a configuration.h file. Now if you go down in that file, you will see theme colors, okay? And there's like 6 of them here, okay? So there's color red, gray, gray background, gray text, gray light, and color blue. And those are red, green, blue alpha colors. We also call them RGBA colors, okay? So I just want you to find the colors that you need. Each colors go from 0 to 255. So go to your web browser and just type RGB color values, okay? As soon as you do that, you will find many of the color values that you need. Okay, so as you can see, there's already pictures here. I'm just going to click on that one right here. Let's see, this one would do. So as you can see, it takes some time to load, but it's giving me some pretty neat colors. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and check. But there's plenty on the internet. Okay, so feel free to use whatever you want. I'm actually going to use this orange instead of my red, so it's 256, 147, and 28. So how do I change this? I go back to Xcode, and where it says red, I put 255, because there's no 256, but I just subtract 147, so I'm going to put 146, and then it says 28, so instead of 28, I'm going to put 27 here. Okay. Alright, so it's 255 over 255, 146 over 1 over 255, and 27 over 255. So I'm just going to run this and by clicking the play button and show you that this will change to a different red color. Okay, so it should be more like on the orange side. Let's take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, so I'm going with a Halloween color theme. Okay, so it's like orange and black and colors like that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be working on, making sure that I get my theme right. Now you guys can keep playing with the colors. Okay, where it says color blue, you can change that. I'm going to do it just for the sake of showing you how to do it. So I'm going to take a different kind of blue. You don't even have to take blue, by the way. I'm actually going to take green. So 0, 153, 0. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so instead of blue, I'm going to put 0 here, 153 here, 152, and the last one, the blue, says, so right there it says 0. Okay, alright, there we go, and I'm gonna run this and see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, we don't see much right now because it's not using that specific color. Okay, but know that you keep playing with these colors and you will change the theme of your color themes. Okay, but that's not enough. We still need to change the game graphics. Okay, so that's why we don't have all the changes yet, because these are buttons that we need to change. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Oh, and by the way, here is the green color when you see game paused. Alright, so see you guys in the next lecture where we're going to change more graphics.